Hi, I'm Ernie Saucier. Here at Saucier Plumbing and Heating, we've been satisfying our customers' needs in plumbing, heating, and air conditioning for over 68 years. We sell Lennox quality furnaces and air conditioners, as well as many brand name plumbing fixtures and faucets. We can remodel your bathroom or create a new one where there wasn't one before. We try to solve your plumbing, heating, and cooling problems as easily as possible for you and your family. Our staff are professionals and our technicians are qualified, certified, and fully insured to meet your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. Call Saucier Plumbing and Heating today at 337-6568.